Did you know that hay fever is one of the most common allergic conditions in Australia? It affects over 3.1 million people every year. It's in fact the pollen from grasses, weeds or trees in the air that trigger hay fever attacks. Breathing in pollen can result in blocked noses, itchy, irritated eyes, and, in more severe cases, it can also cause asthma. So, what can you do to relieve you and your family from the irritating effects of pollen and dust? Nature Direct Pollen and Dust Control Spray is a revolutionary treatment that cleanses the air inside your home by going straight to the heart of the problem and removing airborne allergens including dust, dander and pollen particles from the air around you. The Nature Direct Pollen and Dust Control Spray Concentrate comes with an easy-to-use refillable applicator bottle with spray nozzle. And you only need to use a tiny amount, only 25 millilitres diluted in water to get amazing results. It's kind to the environment and cost-effective as well. The Nature Direct Pollen and Dust Control Spray features a non-medicated and non-toxic blend of plant-based ingredients that attract and trap floating allergy particles when sprayed into the air. The trapped dust and pollen then falls harmlessly to the floor and other surfaces, ready to be wiped clean away. Free from fragrances, preservatives and dyes, you can use the Nature Direct Pollen and Dust Control Spray every day in bedrooms, living areas and other confined spaces without any nasty side effects. The Nature Direct Pollen and Dust Control Spray is the perfect non-invasive solution for helping allergy sufferers by improving air quality, and when used with the Nature Direct Breathe Easy, in turn promotes a more restful sleep and less disturbances during the night. Create a safer, healthier home with the Nature Direct Pollen and Dust Control Spray Concentrate. Nature Direct makes clean living easy.